Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Code Switch in 2020, where we teach indigenous languages. Today we continue with our speedy lesson, looking at lesson number 20, 5 words of the day. Today's words are as follow: full, tletši, 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 tletši. Guide, hlahla, 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 hlahla. How much? Bokae, 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 bokae. Invest, go beeletša, go beeletša, go beeletša, go beeletša, go beeletša. Lift, emiša, 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 emiša. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please go to Code Switch in 2020.